Welcome to the future of driving. Today we're taking a deep dive into the Hyundai Ioniq 5. This isn't just an electric car, it's a statement. Let's start with what catches the eye: the design. The Ioniq Q5 is a bold departure from the traditional SUV shape. Its retro-futuristic look is both eye-catching and functional. The sleek lines and clean surfaces give it a modern, aerodynamic profile. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious, minimalist cabin. The focus is on comfort and technology. The panoramic glass roof floods the interior with natural light, creating an airy atmosphere. The central console is unique, allowing for flexible seating arrangements and ample storage space. And let's not forget the cutting-edge tech, including a large infotainment screen and advanced driver assistance features. Performance-wise, the Ioniq Q5 doesn't disappoint. With its electric powertrain, it offers instant torque and a smooth, quiet ride. It's not just about speed, it's about efficiency too. The Ioniq Q5 boasts an impressive range, making it suitable for both daily commutes and longer journeys. Charging the Ioniq Q5 is a breeze. With rapid charging capabilities, you can add significant range in a short amount of time. Plus, Hyundai offers a range of charging solutions to fit your lifestyle. Beyond performance and technology, the Ioniq Q5 is also a sustainable choice. It's built using eco-friendly materials and is designed to minimize its environmental impact. It's a car that cares. The Hyundai Ioniq 5 is more than just a car, it's a lifestyle statement. It combines style, performance, technology, and sustainability into one impressive package. If you're looking for an electric vehicle that stands out from the crowd, the Ioniq Q5 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more automotive adventures.